Welcome to another video of ASMR Lab. Take a moment and watch the crystal clear slime. Really quality in the bowl. Everything is calm, still. Everything is still and calm. The surface is perfectly smooth, perfectly glossy, like liquid glass. Now watch closely. A touch of green appears, soft, fresh, cool, like morning light reflecting through crystal. And now, worldwide and purple, gentle and luminous, floating above the clear slime, like a soft cloud. The colors haven't mixed, they are simply fading slowly, patiently. Watch as the fingertips touch the surface, the slime begins to move. Ever so gently, the mint green starts, and the purple and the other colors, delicate clouds, soft waves, tiny streams of colors flowing beneath the surface, and slowly separating the orange, the sunset color, like silk diesel in the glass. Watch the swirl, watch them stretch, nothing rushed, nothing forced, only slow movement, only calm motion, creating crystal ribbons, long flowing standards, beautiful layers, beautiful patterns, and now the reflections, tiny sparkles, like scattered pearls hidden inside the crystal. Now the slime folds over itself again and again and again, each fold creating and each pressing create a smooth and amazing voice, amazing satisfaction. Colors meet, separate, and meet again, slowly becoming one. The clear slime still remains, holding every swirl inside like a piece of living glass. Watch the stretch. This is ruby red, and the slime becomes thinner. Now there is white slime and two colors are mixed, and the rainbow slime is ready. Now the golden color is mixed, and they become amazing. The colors separate further, catching delicate gradients and the transitions, soft beauty. Everything feels light, everything feels peaceful. Notice the tiny air bubbles, traps inside tiny crystal spheres, reflecting the light, moving gently through the slime. The shimmer continues to travel, never completely still, always floating, always changing. Every twist creates another pattern, every fold creates another wave. The blue color, every stitch reveals another layer. Look closely, the slime almost looks like polished jade, then like frosted crystal, then like glowing pearls, and the appearance changes with every moment. The texture changes, the reflection changes, the color changes, yet everything remains soft, ruby red, very amazing. And now the golden is mixed with green. It becomes smooth, round, perfectly reflective. And now the lavender color is mixed and creating luxurious finish. Watch the finger gently press into the surface, slowly, carefully, creating soft impressions. The slime responds naturally, stretching, recovering,